Hello guys, welcome to beepahpai. We are here at Kiptopeke State Park in Virginia. We drive for
4 hours.
4 hours and finally we reach to our campsite number E10. And let's check out.
You slapped my butt.
And the bathhouse right there. Let's see, what do they have here? Just picnic table and the water right there. All right, let's set our campsite up.
Daddy.
And this is the bathhouse. We are inside the bathhouse. 1, 2, 3, 4. Full shower, and this is what it looks like inside. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 toilets. So old. This is so old and creepy. Not clean like the one in the past. All right, let's get out of here. What is this? Welcome to Kiptopeke State Park. The map. And that is our campsite right there. Okay, let's do this. Let's set our place for 5 nights. All right, see you once we set everything's done. This is a new tent that we got it from Amazon. Because I feel like I like the canopy from this brand Gazelle. So we try a new tent. It's if I don't remember it wrong, it's T4
Hub Plus.
plus 2, yeah.
No, Hub.
Hub
T4
Plus.
Hub Plus.
Okay. T4 Hub Plus. And let's go check inside. It's gonna be tough because the campsites remind me about Myrtle Beach State Park, full with mosquito. So let's go check inside. Ooh, smells so clean in here. Super durable. This is supposed to be my bedroom. There's so many pockets though. Like, I assume this for the night light. I don't know. It's for the, you can hang the lamp up there. Window. Oh, this one is a back door. Is it? Yeah. This is the back door. Oh, wow. So you can go outside like this. Shut it for now. Yes, 1 pocket, 2 pocket, 3 pocket. Look at this view. Okay. And me standing right in here. All right, and this is our place for 5 nights. We finished the setup. That's a hammock My kitchen area. I'm cooking pad thai right now. A guy from Aldi. Life hack. So good, delicious.
Hold it for me.
Yeah.
Give me 2 seconds.
And then campfire. We don't have that much view like in Iceland State Park. But yeah, maybe tomorrow we can check out the beach. And this is dining area. We're gonna zip up because we have a mosquito problem at nighttime. Remind me about Myrtle Beach State Park. And this is our tent, new tent. It can hold 4 mattress, 1, 2. I'm not gonna go in there because I don't want to take my shoes off. Oh. And then the other room is like two bed. And then that's it. We almost to complete the setup. I'm gonna have a dinner. This setup take like 4 hours. Almost 4 hours. Alright, it's time for dinner. Okay. This is a firewood for $5. We pay cash in the box because the camp store is closing. Alright, let's go to our campground. So cold tonight. It's gonna hit 40 degrees. Yeah, we spent too long to set up, but I'm really happy about our setup because we have to like sweep all the pine needle.
And we're going to the beach.
Yeah, and we're gonna go check out the beach.
And there's a bridge trail.
Yeah, let's go check out the beach. And we're gonna go check out the beach. And Henry found his toy bulldozer. I don't know how long it's gonna take. How the bulldozer is by the beach. Oh, look at that sunset. All right, let's walk to the beach.
Henry, come closer, stand by the tire. I want to get.
Fishing, crabbing, cast nesting, and boating prohibit on swim beach. Whew. Beautiful sunset. Oh. All right, we are here. We are here. And you see the concrete ship? There's a concrete ship. I bet the water is gonna be really cold. All right, me walking on the sand. Ta-da! We're here. Woo! Concrete ship. That's a concrete ship that everybody talking about. Good morning, guys. And then we found a trail. The first trail, we were gonna check it out today. It's called Wood Wobble. What is it, Henry?
Wood Wobbler Boardwalk.
Okay, let's go check it. Oh yeah, shady and Looks like a new wooden bridge. Okay. Let's see how long it's gonna go. And okay. And we're gonna see you at the end of the trail.
How to go here?
Well, let's go check out the there's two ways now.
Go!
I don't know where it goes.
Let's go check the beach first, Henry.
There's no beach, there's a pond.
Is a pond that way?
Ah, this should be like
No.
a ride, like a roller coaster that goes so
Travel with kids. I think this is the end of the trail. We take about 5 minutes to finish this trail. It's not long, it's really short. And lead to the beach. Look at that view.
concrete ship.
Yeah, that's a concrete ship right there. How many ships on the beach, Henry?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4.
Came out where we started.
Yeah,
Not the.
I know. We start in the wrong.
So you
Wrong
can walk
spot.
up the beach further and get back on the path, or walk back the way we came and cut across.
We're gonna check out this trail. Oh, it's longer than the first one. I think it's leading to the pond. Let's go check it out. Is it leading to the pond? Ooh. Oh my. Oh my. Where does it go? Okay, let's go. Up, up, up.
Picture.
Yeah. Look what we found.
Worm snake.
Oh,
Look, it's got a little.
oh, that's cute.
See the iridescence? How it's like a rainbow in the sun.
Uh-huh. Okay. Nice, shiny.
Yeah. It's
Worm
cold.
snake.
Feel it. Who wants to hold it?
Not me.
Just hold it out.
Lead to the beach. Do you hear that? So pretty. I like bird. It's the same view though, like the other one, but it's different trail.
It says over here, danger. Swimming hazardous due to swift currents, sudden drop-offs, or unseen obstructions.
Yeah, you cannot swim. And we are here at the end of the trail. What is it? Telepon. So nature. And how long do we take to walk all the way from parking spot to here? Almost an hour. And we have to walk back. Yeah, let's soak into the nature for a bit before we head back. And this is our place. And we enjoy small time. You happy?
Yeah.
It's gonna be cold tonight. We better get ready and go into the sleeping bag. Good morning, guys. This is our day 3. We're gonna try to check out the trail called Brown Pelican Trail. I don't know. I think it's supposed to start here. This is called Trailhead. It's just across the campsite. Oh no, like RV site. And they have like park, bedroom, gazebo. And try to find where's the trail. Have park. Yeah, I assume that's a trailhead right there. There's so many trails to check out. Waiting for the temperatures are getting hot and the kids could enjoy the beach. They have a butterfly garden here. See the tower over there. Let's go check it out. Yeah. This is not too hot. Morning is the best time for hiking. Oh, I see that on the Google. I see that sign on the Google. Let's go check that out first. Sorry guys, let's check the towers after. So welcome to Kiptopeke State Park. The map. Yeah, I saw that on the Google photo. What is it? Oh, touring motor. Course center. It's nothing special. This is fine. Whatever. But I found it though. I found it. Let's go back to the tower. You know what is a bird really common for the campsite? Does it? Crows. They say cacao, cacao. Every morning. That's my alarm right there. Oh, we found a hawk observation. All right, let's go see. I wish I could see hawk. I love hawk. Well, we're not gonna be lucky, right? Not gonna find hawk. Yeah. All right. I think we're gonna go check the trail before it's getting hot. Today we're gonna check out Brown Pelican Trail. It's just 0.5 miles and it's a loop. Let's go check out the trail. Easy to walk. I think the small kid will love this. Be careful. There's the garden next to it, so many bugs on this trail too.
Is there brown pelican this way?
Both ways, so it's supposed to be a loop.
Come on. Can we look at the lookout?
We just went there.
It's there. The raptor lookout.
Oh, look at butterflies. Look, we check out the new net. Can we look at me? Can you breathe? It's good, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. I want to see you at the end of the trail. Supposed to be quick. Yeah, this trail you're gonna walk along the beach. That's a cool. I like cool trail. Whoa!
Oh, blue.
Whoa, look at that. It was a video. Johnny, show it off. Show this thing off.
What is this thing called?
I don't know. Ooh, looks so cool.
It's blue on the bottom.
Wow.
It's so cute.
You found a gecko. Why is it so cute? Why look like a raptor? I like it. You can see the view along the trail like this. Listen to the ocean. Two! It's two dolphins! Oh my god, one dolphin and there's another one right there. It's coming!
Oh my god!
Two dolphins! Oh my god! Two!
I've never
Three!
seen this close.
Three dolphins!
1, 2, 3.
Johnny, three dolphins! Oh my god, this is so cool!
I can't believe I saw a dolphin. Yeah, I've never seen it this close.
I had to do one by himself, just up close.
Hey guys, we complete the Brown Pelican trail. We spent like almost an hour for this trail, but it's incredible. Like the view of the ocean and dolphin. We found dolphin too. Saw dolphin, 3 dolphins, and we saw a hawk, deer, super nature. I like this trail. The first one so far. The first place so far. Right here guys, it's time for us to check out Kiptopeke State Park. Let's pack up. Yeah, the good thing about this park is the beach and the hiking trail. The downside of this camping trip is the campsite, that our campsite, you can see the pine needles everywhere. This is clean because we just shoveled when we came here, so it takes us like almost an hour. Nah, I would say like half an hour to like clean this pine needle, because you know pine needles always full with bugs and pollens and something underneath it, so I don't feel safe to have like a pine needles piled up by campsite. And the bathhouse, I don't like bathhouse. It's working, the hot water working, but you have to run the water for like almost 15 to 30 minutes to let it heat up. And it's dirty. It's really dirty. Nobody clean it, which just make me upset, because every time I have to use it once a day and it's never be clean for me to use it. The shower room, they have 4 shower rooms. 1 is broken and 3 of them never been cleaned since we camped here for 5 nights. And they have only 2 bathhouses. We try to find the bathhouse at the RV site. It's the same. It's old and stinky when you open it, and you can see it's like nobody cleaned it. Yeah, but I like the beach. The sunset at the beach is really pretty. Hiking trail, they have so many hiking trail. I saw a dolphin on the trail. I saw so many creatures. I love nature here. We never buy anything from campsite or camp store yet, so I can't say that. We don't even have time to get the chance to check it out. Yeah, and the really exciting moment for this trip is when we cross the bridge to the zoo, which is, I like it, because $16 and you crossed over Chesapeake Bay, go to the other side. Is incredible moment. All right, time to go. See you at next episode.